want to welcome everybody that is joining us on Facebook for this Facebook free preview brought to you by Jeffy's Fab Farm. Jeffy's Fab Farm giving you a taste of the action here at Spring Explosion in Champaign-Urbana, Illinois. This is heat number 2 of the 4 versus 4 team heats. Plenty more still to come. There's 8 heats tonight, plus minivans, plus compacts if there's time. Heat number 2 is Team MBM versus P&L Coors. And it's going to be a barn burner, as was the first heat. Keep your eye on these teams. They're lined up nose to nose. If you like the action you see on the Facebook free preview, you can always get the ticket at DerbyNation.tv. Here's your green flag. And it's a nose-to-nose shoving match right off the bat. Who gets the upper hand? MBM in the purple and black, P&L Coors in the gray and black, or tan and black, I should say. Impact Derby Parts trackside cam showing you what the officials see from trackside. Tracks were both pretty wet here leading up to today, but the last couple of hours before, big shot against the wall. Last couple of hours before showtime, sun came out, wind started blowing a little bit, dried everything up pretty considerably. Nobody has a clear upper hand here yet, but Maury's trying to make a difference here. Nice shot there. P&L Coors working over that rear axle on Maury's machine. Josh Johnson in the 225 on the backside of that track was getting a shot put on him there by MBM. Worked him against the wall. He got himself out of that situation. 68 having some trouble. Gets it refired. That's Brian Heffelfinger in that 68. That Maury ride is so jacked up in the back. You don't necessarily see that very often. Facebook Live Look In brought to you by Jeffy's Fab Farm. You can visit his website at jeffysfabfarm.com. If you like what you're seeing, this is heat number 2 of 8. Plus, we got a van feature and a compact feature to come tonight. And there's plenty of that on DerbyNation.tv. Watch the whole thing live. Good shot there, right in the passenger front wheel. And the 68 right there to get a piece too. Looks like Mike Maury stalled in the 053. Stick going down on the 57 for P&L Coors. It's Weston Wessels. Looks like 3-on-2 right now. Possibly becoming 2-on-2. Cody Schmidt in the 721, staying involved in the action, trying to help out his teammate Heffelfinger. Broken steering on Cody Schmidt's machine, at least on the passenger side. .225 sitting idle. And now this one going up in smoke. Could be 2-on-1 now. Got it refired. Pretty sure that's Nick Breed in the 94. Tell me he just got the 721 hung. Oh, he's not hung, just the wheels. Just the wheels fighting him. Pee-wee's still wheeling around over there. Mowry having trouble keeping it moving forward. Mowry gets about a foot of forward movement and then everything locks up. And the stick down, we're down to 1-on-1. Looks like Heffelfinger in the 68 still has one wheel steer. Letting him get around a little bit. Once again, if you're just joining us on Facebook, we're live thanks to Jeffy's Fab Farm, giving you a taste of the action here. This is heat number 2 of 8, plus we have a minivan feature and a compact feature, time permitting, at the end of the evening tonight. Lots of action still to see. You can watch it all on DerbyNation.tv. If you like the action you're seeing here, just get your ticket at DerbyNation.tv. Right now, Team MBM versus Team P&L Cords, and it's anyone's game right now. We're down to one-on-one, and it is a chess match. Both with broken steering. Oh no! Hooked himself there trying to back up. Makes contact. Gets contact. Either one of these guys wants to be the next one to give up. Fighting hard. Maybe he just couldn't get it to turn quite far enough. Had to stop his momentum. Back her up a little bit. Heffelfinger heading the other direction. And a miss, but he gets him here. Oh, that's trouble. I think Heffelfinger's got him right there. Great run for P&L Cords. That was a hard-fought battle. Don't hit him again, you're going to knock him free. I can't believe he did that. Oh. Well, he's still on the clock. We'll see if he gets there in time. Well, that's contact. Officials watching the clocks. Trying to push on him, kind of put some pressure on him. Ooh. That scared me. It's close enough to our studio that it made me jump. Both of these drivers really working their drivetrains here. No matter what, no matter how this finishes, they're both going to have a lot of work to do to get things ready for either the Consi or the feature. Wow. Both rear tires flat now on Heffelfinger's car. That plus broken steering could be enough to cause him trouble. Good shot from Heffelfinger. Trying to get himself unhooked from that wheel well. It's close. I lost track of last contact, so I don't even know who's due. Flags waving. Those of you that joined us on Facebook, I hope you like what you saw. If you did, you can join us on DerbyNation.tv, get your pay-per-view ticket. There's still 6 more heats to come, plus a minivan feature and a compact feature tonight.